Your next assignment, which is probably your first assignment, right?
Yeah.
Problem. I have heard on the news that there's been like 3 or 4 little kids died in cars in South Dakota this summer. Or in the region at least. I want to know how stinking hot it gets inside a car.
Really
Oh,
Why don't we just put a thermometer?
I know it gets really dang hot and I want to roll the windows down and crank the air conditioner and get moving. I don't want to get in there and sit and wait to start the car. But I don't know how hot it gets. I want to know how hot it gets.
Can we put a thermometer in the car?
Your job is to write a laboratory that I can hand off that will do exactly what you have in your head for how to figure that out. You have to write all the steps. Yeah. Question.
I can't use the computer, can I?
You can or you can't?
Why not?
yes, sir.
Because then they'll just go find one, and it's not their lab.
You want to make them look in the old school analog things they call.
I want them to develop it out of their own head. I want them to design
Yes.
yes,
I was gonna do that first.
Yeah, without going out to
Yeah.
the web.
But can
You
we
have to spend the first
can we have partners?
20 minutes without a book, without nothing.
Can we have like a template to like look at how you make, you know?
Find one. Figure one out. Make a plan in your head. And then make your plan fit the template later when we let you have a book. And then later than that when we let you have your computer to help.
Oh, so right now just think of what
Right
you
now
do.
you're going to plan it all out in your head. You can get on your computers, you can write it down, but you can't go to the internet.
Can we get partners?
No. We told you we were going to make you think. We're going to make you think.
Listen,
Remember
how
all the
many of you
little
are gonna
details? Now you
think-
got to come up with them.
Here's the deal. This is your creative part. If you were going to test how hot it gets in a vehicle, how are you going to go about doing that?
Put a thermometer.
What are you going to do? Okay. Very first thing I'm going to do, I might put a banana on the front seat. How fast does it get brown?
Second.
You do not have to be traditional here. You can be as creative as you want to test this theory. So don't be constrained by somebody else thinking, that's really dumb.
I'm gonna
It might work anyway.
Exactly. Some of the simplest things in the world came from some really silly ideas. A frisbee. Come on.
Like with a key.
Thomas Edison about flunked out of school. You can see me because of Thomas Edison.
He gave me my eyes.
What?
Light bulbs.
He gave you my eyes.
Bios, yeah.
No, they're related.
That's okay, because I know.
Mariah?
You're welcome.
We're there,
That's
let's-
People, a little more direction. When you are done with this, you should be able to hit print. I should be able to hand it to one of the South Central students. They should be able to do exactly what you had in your head just by reading your document. That document that I read back there tells you step by step. First you do this, then you do this, then you do that. You need to be careful of this. You need to look out for that. You need to plan on this thing happening. Okay? So whatever's in your head needs to be on the paper. Clear, concise, in the right order.
Are they actually
Go.
gonna try this?